In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in Zoho Mail. Setting up group emails is crucial for seamless communication within organizations, allowing teams to connect and collaborate effectively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up. First, you need to log in to the admin console. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to mailadmin.zoho.com. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in as either an admin or super admin. This role is necessary as only these users have the permissions required to create and manage group emails. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Groups section. In the menu found on the left sidebar, you should see an option labeled Groups. Click on it, and once you're there, select Distribution List. This option is specifically for setting up standard group emails that you can use within your organization. Next, it's time to create a new group. You'll see an option to create, or it might say Add Group. Click on that to get started. You'll need to enter a group name. Something descriptive like Support Team works well. Then, set up a group email address, such as support@yourdomain.com. This will be the collective email identifier for people to use when they want to reach this group. Additionally, you have the option to include a description or even a profile picture, which can be helpful for larger organizations to easily identify the group. Then, you must decide on who can send emails to this group. Your choices include everyone, which makes it public, organization members, group members, if you want it to be private, or, for the most restriction, only moderators. There's also an option to enable streams, which can be fantastic for internal collaboration, allowing group members to engage more interactively and share updates seamlessly. If this suits your team's needs, you might want to consider enabling this feature. After setting everything up just the way you want it, click on Proceed to move to the next step. Now, it's time to add group members and assign roles. Start by inviting members from your organization who should be part of this group. Make sure to assign at least one person as a moderator. The moderator has special privileges to manage the group content and adjust settings as necessary. Once you've added everyone and assigned roles, click on Create. A dialog box will appear, and you'll need to confirm your decision. With that final confirmation, you'll receive a message that says, Group created successfully. Congratulations! Your group email is now set up and ready to use. You'll have options to copy the group's email address for easy sharing or make further edits to the group settings if needed. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a group email in Zoho Mail. Now, you're ready to streamline communication and enhance collaboration within your organization. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next